extra ghost pepper sauce. I'm gonna try this. Oh, that's nothing. Ah! So, we're gonna unbox this right here. This is a McDonald's care package. We're not sponsored, by the way, but feel free to sponsor us, McDonald's. We love you a lot. I'm on diet, but I love McDonald's a lot. Yo, it's my favorite thing ever. Wanna cheat? McDonald's. So, let's open this. Go. Okay. The moment, guys, the moment. It smells. Oof. Oh. Straw. So that's the burger, guys. Right here. I mean, it's a f***ing burger. There you go. Now. Let's open up for you guys. Oh. I mean, it's your typical f***ing McChicken, man. Please not try this outside if you're not confident about spicy food. Because you might take a load shit after. But for us, we're experts. You know, everything's good. Is it hitting?
It's starting, actually.
It's fucking good though.
It's fucking good.
It's hitting, but it's the perfect spice. So, if you guys wonder how it actually tastes like, if you guys ever had the fire noodle, it's like the level 1 of it, but a little bit less. It's not as worse as the noodle itself. Whoa! Whoa! God! Whoa! It's burning. I guess I do believe it's because the burger is not hot, very hot, compared to noodles. Because when you eat the noodles, they're usually hot. So the hotness from the noodles actually makes it more spicier. This burger is like lukewarm, right? And it's not that bad. I actually like it. Can't believe you choked on this. I guess we could call this spicy, but it's not very spicy.
Yeah. Has a kick, but like it doesn't stay for long.
True. So before going to the gym, we're actually gonna warm up and do some jumping rope.
We're passing by our typical Canadian #1 coffee spot. I got myself a good old iced coffee with almond milk, no sugar, cause you know your boy's on diet. You know, your boy's on a diet. I went over calories today, but it's fine. I was preparing for coffee, so.
Getting late. I'm not that far from home. I'm exhausted. Despite eating a lot, there's no energy coming out from it.
turn the lights on. That's it. So for tonight I'll be having what my mom made. It's basically you guys can see it's just like beef with vegetables on it. That's gonna be my source of protein for tonight, and also a protein shake that I'm gonna take on the side because I know I didn't get any source of protein today. Well, I did, but not enough, so I'm gonna take a protein shake later. So I have edit things to do, like this video and another video also, and other videos for the upcoming week also. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna wrap this up. Thank you guys for watching my vlogs, and I see you guys on the next video. Bye.